L5, the reference. Time is a stack, not a number. Today, NTP Stratum levels, the clock hierarchy. Your laptop says 14.7. But where did it actually get this number? Not from one magic clock, from a tree of clocks, each one trusting the one above it. The root is Stratum 0, the reference hardware, atomic standards that define the SI second, GPS receivers, radio time signals. Crucially, Stratum 0 is a physical device, not a network host. You never talk to it directly. Bolt a server straight onto that hardware, a pulse per second wire, a serial feed, and you get a Stratum 1 server. The primary time servers, one step from the source. Now sync a server to Stratum 1 across the network, and it becomes Stratum 2. The rule of the whole tree is simple. Every network hop down adds exactly 1 to your Stratum number. Extend one more hop, and your laptop, 3 hops from the atomic clock, is Stratum 3. The number is simply your distance from the reference, counted in hops. 0, 1, 2, 3. Valid Stratum runs from 0 to 15. 16 isn't a worse clock, it's the protocol's way of saying, I currently have no trusted time at all. RFC 5905, plain and simple. Here's the trap everyone falls into. Stratum is hops from reference, not a grade of accuracy. A distant, congested Stratum 1 can serve you worse time than a close, well-connected Stratum 3. Network distance, path symmetry, and the server's own quality all matter. So your clock doesn't trust a number. It samples several servers, measures offset and delay exactly like we did in the NTP playlist, and picks the best actual clock. Trust the measurement, not the rank. In the real world, GPS is the most common Stratum 0 source feeding Stratum 1 servers, and the public pool.ntp.org servers most machines use are usually Stratum 2 or 3. That's completely fine. One honest catch. GPS time does not apply leap seconds, so it runs ahead of UTC by the accumulated count, currently 18 seconds. A GPS discipline server converts to UTC before it serves you, so you never see the raw offset. That's the whole chain of trust. Your laptop trusts a Stratum 2 server, which trusts a Stratum 1 server, bolted to a GPS receiver or an atomic clock that defines the second itself. 4 links, from an atom to the clock in your menu bar. Stratum is hops from the reference, not a grade. Valid 0 to 15, 16 means unsynchronized. Next time, the UTC this tree hands you and the leap second that bends it. Time is a stack, not a number.